Hi, I'm Terry from Crosse Technology, and we're looking at the WS-8158U-IT 915 megahertz atomic clock. And this clock and its outdoor sensor will give you the forecast, the day, the date, the time, and the time will automatically be upgraded by the clocks in Fort Collins, Colorado. To set it up, we start with our sensor. We're going to take the battery cover off the sensor, just sliding it down. We'll put two AA alkaline batteries in there. We want to make certain we're using fresh batteries. And we put that about 5 feet away, 3 feet away, in that area. Okay, the next thing we do is we're going to take the battery cover off. We'll put a pair of AA's in here as well. The polarity is shown in the molding on the case, as well in this case in the silk screening on the back. The beep lets us know we've got our batteries in properly. And we've already picked up our outdoor sensor. These clocks will all come up saying that it is midnight on January 1st. We set the clock by using the set button on the back. We press the set button and we hold it, and we'll notice that we get our time zone show up. These all default to -5 Eastern Standard Time. I'm in the Midwest, so I'm going to press the plus button to change it to -6 Central Standard Time. I'll press my set button once again. Daylight savings time. We use daylight savings time where I am, so I'll set it to on. If I live someplace without daylight savings time, I'd press the plus button to set it to off. We'll go back to on and press the set button once again. I have a choice of languages. US is American English, E for Spanish, Espanol, F is French. I'm going to leave it in English. Pressing the set button once again. I can manually set the time if I desire. It will automatically set by itself when it picks up the signal, but I want to use it now. It's 4:27 p.m. I'm going to press and release the plus button until I have 4 p.m. showing as my hour. Notice p.m. shows to the right of the hour. I'm going to press the set button once. The minutes are flashing. Pressing the plus button, 1 click, 1 minute. We'll go to 4:27. Pressing the set button once again, the year is flashing. 2005 happened a while back. I'll use my plus button to set 2012. Pressing set once again, the month is flashing. It's not December, it is February. Pressing the plus button to get there. Press set, the date is flashing, and we'll use the plus button to get to today's date, the 25th. And if I hold the button down, it will just move through the dates on its own. Pressing my set button once again, I can pick the day. Today is Saturday, so I'll use the plus button to change. Press set once again. I have the option degrees Fahrenheit showing down here. If I press my plus button, I can go to degrees Celsius. I understand Fahrenheit better, so I'm going to leave it in Fahrenheit with the plus button. Pressing set once again, and my clock is operating normally. I can hang it on my wall, and I'll have my outdoor temperature. My forecast will start to become accurate in about 3 days, and after it's gotten a pressure history, it's going to start with arrows. There's an up arrow on this side, a down arrow on this side, showing if the pressure is rising or falling.